off the shelf. Oh, I don't think he got hurt.
No.
And there's the hat. We can pop that back on, that's all right. There we are. Okay. Now then, come and sit down. You're worried about, shall we fix it? No.
Hello.
Good.
There we go. All fixed.
All done.
You've given Helena a cuddle. So, do you remember what we did last night? Hey, do you remember? Let's sit down because we're going to have a little talk about it. Do you remember that we went out in the dark and that we went in the car, you had your wellies on and your coat on, and we went and we saw a big fire called a bonfire. Yeah, do you remember? Do you think you could help me to put the flames on this bonfire? Let me see. What colour were the flames, Christopher? If you were drawing the flames on a fire, could you choose the right colour for them? Have a try. What colour flames? I saw you going for yellow. Very good. Pick the yellow and maybe a little bit of orange as well. Good boy. So get down and draw the flame. And I'm going to put some orange as well. Very good. I'll do a bit of orange there. Yeah. Oh, the nice fire. Very good. And that fire was very, very hot, wasn't it? It's not a good idea to put that in your mouth, silly. Right, so we had that hot bonfire. And then afterwards we saw some fireworks, and we're going to draw some fireworks as well in a minute. We didn't see any dogs there because it was very noisy, and the dogs don't like it being too noisy. So listen. You know what, if you want to bite on something, you're better off doing it on there than on your hand, because your hand will get sore. Okay, so bite as much as you want, but on there. So I just want to tell you. Yeah, I just want Yeah, I'm going to tell you about why we have bonfires. Do you know why? So listen. In 1605, 13 young men planned to blow up the Houses of Parliament. Among them was Guy Fawkes. He was Britain's most notorious traitor. There's the bonfire. Okay, so listen to this. This is a bit of history. After Queen Elizabeth I died in 1603, English Catholics who had been persecuted under her rule had hoped that her successor, James I, would be more tolerant of their religion. James I had, after all, had a Catholic mother. But unfortunately, James did not turn out to be more tolerant than Elizabeth, and a number of young men, 13 to be exact, decided that violent action was the answer. A small group took shape under the